Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. Before we are starting lessons, we have to count 1 to 100 properly on the Abacus. In my Abacus English course, I teach there very surfacely, but before starting lesson, we have to count. And do not judge my English because I am not a native speaker of English, but I can teach you this Abacus. Promise. Shall we start? Let's go. We have a marked rod. This one is my marked rod, lifting by 2 rods in the right side, and up beats are in up position, down beats are in down position, and this is your Abacus 0 position. And we are starting to count from 1, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 5. You have to slide 5 down, and this all is going to down, and this is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9. Next is 10, so 10. 1, 0, 10. Next is 1, 1, 11 means this is our 10th position rod, and this is first position rod. 1, and we need one more 1. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. Next is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Next is 20. How to write 2, 0? Means you have to remove all these, and 2, 0, 20, and 2, 1, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25, 26. 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 2, 6, 26, 27, 28, 29. 30 means 3, 0, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And 40, 40 means you have to remove all this, and this is 4, 0, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Next is 55, 0, 50 means remove all this and all this. 5, 0, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Next is 55, 55, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Next is 60. So remove all these, and 5, 1, 6, 6, 0, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 65, 65, 65, 6, and this one is 5, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Next 70 means all these, and 5 to 7, 0, 71, 72, 73, 74, and 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, and 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Next is 90. So remove all these, and plus 1, 5, 4, 9, 0, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, and this is 99. And next is 100, and we have to move 100th position, and you have to remove all these, and this one is 1, 0, 0, 100. And counting process is very simple. 100, 1, 1, 100, 11. If you up this one, 1111. Very simple, very enjoyable, and please count and comment. If you have any questions, I will definitely answer. And from the next episode, we are starting our lessons. Yay! Ta-da!